Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. A little bit of selling pressure today in the market. In this video, I would really like to focus only on the shorter time frame here. We still have the situation that we either are in the triangle as what I'm talking about now is really only valid as long as we stay below 27,700. Above 27,700, we consider up other options. I explained them all in the previous video. Feel free to check that out. But as long as we are below 27,700, it is either an ending diagonal, which is playing out here, which could be moving in this descending price channel, if you can see that one in orange, yeah, here, which could lead us to one more low, a bit like that, okay, or, and that is getting increasingly likely in my opinion, this is an Elliott Wave triangle, which I showed you in the previous video as an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. I'm always careful not to label a triangle too early, but at the moment it adheres to it nicely. To be fair, it doesn't make any difference if it's a triangle or that ending diagonal here on the shorter time frame. As long as we stay below 27,700, it's basically the same outcome. It may have an impact on targets down the line, but for now, it's basically, you could say, part of the same scenario that we will make another low. But that's only the case as long as we stay below 27,700. And it is getting also increasingly likely that it will break to the upside here. So it's not like a done deal that this is going to break down. I think it should. And that will remain my view below the pivot, which is 27,700. But there are also other likely options that the market could use if it breaks above 27,700. So my personal preference would actually be the triangle now, because it looks clean, it looks nice. I don't like the look of that ending diagonal there in yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't like the look of it, but it's also possible, you know, what could happen here is that we are now in the third wave. That this was obviously here, A, B, C in wave 3. Then we get a 4 and A, B, C in wave 5. That would be the ending diagonal pathway, works. Or we do this, higher low, maybe here or here, E wave, lower high, and then a breakdown. Also nice, yeah. So they are the two options. What I wanted to talk about is really what's an ideal target for the D wave. Yeah, assuming that this is a triangle, because we can assume that as long as we stay above the B wave low of 26,360. So a break below that level, 26,360, roughly. Let me just make that a bit clearer here. What's the low? Yeah, 26,360 is that B wave low. As long as we stay above that level, we could assume here that this is a triangle, but for a complete triangle, we need another lower high and then the breakout. And first of all, we need the D wave low. And what is the typical target for a D wave? Well, first of all, it would be nice to get a little bit of a clearer 3-wave pattern here. I have only 3 waves now, okay? But what would be nice is to get something like that, maybe clear, nice, and 3. But anyway, what's an ideal target? So let's look at the Fibonacci extensions. Because what we can do, we can take the length of that B wave there, go to the high of the C wave, and the first common target is the 38.2 extension. Like magic, it listened to that. You know, it's nothing. You know, they are just the typical targets in a triangle. The very first target of the D wave is the 38.2 extension of the B wave, but that's the first target. The more likely one is the 61.8 extension at 26,467. Now, don't get me wrong, they are not levels that need to be reached. A triangle is messy, but sort of the 38.2 extension is sort of the minimum you would like to see. Yeah. So that means from now on, we need to be ready that we could put that E wave in, and that would need to stay below the C wave high at 27,290. Above that level, the triangle will get invalidated or will just simply extend. So yeah, it's not much more exciting going on at this stage. So I'm not going to talk about the bigger context. I did that yesterday in the video. So hopefully that updated view here on the smaller time frame helps you. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description and also the handles. You can see them on the screen in the beginning of the video. We offer some additional content on Instagram and Twitter that we don't offer on YouTube in our YouTube videos. So sometimes there are signals, not as many as in the membership though, just here and there. But also some stuff about mindset, trading, technical analysis, so which might help you, and obviously anything to stay up to date with MCO. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.